Hey, we're done. It's daylight right now, so I can't show you how dark it gets in here, but basically, look at that. The lights are wonderful. Now, the great thing about these, that as long as you have a good can, it's 6 inches, and you don't need to ground these. Just plug them in to the negative and neutral, and that's it. You're set. All right, today we're gonna bring some receding lights. If you guys notice, I'm not an electrician, so the best thing to do is get these existing light bulbs. So I'm gonna show you something. I do have some existing ones right now, but look how dull they are. I'm gonna replace those two out there in my kitchen with this. Now, with this option that I have here, where they give you the actual socket, you don't need any electricity. You could just put them on the existing light bulb that you currently have. Now, I do have some metal around it. I'm gonna remove it, and this should cover any kind of little damages or any holes. This is a 6-inch. They also give you the elastics that are included with it too. So we're gonna put it together and we're gonna replace the light. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, I have the can open. I removed the other one, but I'm gonna show you guys underneath. Remove the fixture already. I still have a socket there, so I'm gonna hang these up, pin them up anywhere I can, and then clean it up a little bit and add the new one. So let's go ahead and do that. Not that much light in here, but if you guys notice, I have this fixture set up already. We're gonna set this up at the end. First, you got to do the socket prior to setting up, but make sure you set these up properly. All right, these actually clamp up into the actual system that's up there, right? If you don't like touching any electrical, this is perfect. All you got to do is set it up, clamp them in there, and you're set. And I didn't have to do any modification on my electricity. So let's go and begin. All right, so if you're confused on how you twist these, they're very simple. You got your neutral, which is the white, and then you got the hot, which is the black. So remember that these connect. You can't mess around with these. They just go in there basically. So if they ever fall, this is an option you have as a safety. They won't hit anybody, and they're very light, so very simple. Now, all we gotta do is clamp them in there. All right, let's turn off the lights, see how it looks at night. So this compared to before, it's a lot better. Really easy to set up on this kitchen. Hope you guys enjoy the video.